Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here today to show you a brand new G23. This is the 2020 version. We just got this one in stock. A couple new things that we'd like to point out. First off are the transom seats. So 2 new transom seats in the back of the boat. You got your cup holder, you got a cooler in the back. Really fun place just to hang out and anchor. You can see the exterior color. This is a steel blue metal flake. And we've got that running all the way along the side. It really pops in the sun, looks really, really nice. Another new feature is the interior. There's a new interior color. This is called haze gray. So we got the haze gray, we've got the darker gray here, and then the white accent all the way through. As you come through the boat, you have the traditional step in with the sea deck. You can see the haze gray all the way through this boat with the white. It looks really, really nice and it pops. Like all our other Gs, this is all subfloor ballast. This has all the hinges. You've got a seat that pops up here. We did add the 8/8 up on the tower. This one does come with the bimini. You got the 12.4-inch link pen array screen. In the bow, we do have the bow filler cushion. We've got armrests. This one's got steer assist in it. This one also has lighted cup holders, heated seats on both sides, and then the PCM 450 horsepower engine with 460 foot-pounds of torque. So come on down to MarineMax of Rogers, take a look at this boat a little deeper. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.